Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I will show you how we can copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So let's get started by opening up the standalone contacts application. From there, tap on the gear icon and navigate to Import Export Contacts. Select Allow. This will allow you to choose where you want to import the contacts from. We have three different ways of doing so. I did say that we're going to be importing it from SIM card, so that's what I'll be selecting, but I'll also touch upon the two other ones. So import contacts from phone contacts, which kind of defeats the purpose, unless you might be able to import them as they're saved on your phone to your Google account. Though that won't be possible for me because I'm not logged in. And add one is from storage, which would allow you to import them from a something that is called a VCF file, which you can create using a third-party applications. It will store all the data of the contact along with photos and all that stuff. But like I said, we're doing SIM card. From there, it will tell us or asks us where we want to import contacts to. For me, like I said, I only have the phone as an option, but if Google account was signed in on this phone, then that would be as visible as an option here as well. But I'm not. Anyway, I'm gonna select the phone, and this will then display all the contacts that are on my SIM card. So we can quickly select all of them by tapping right here on this toggle. You can obviously also select individual contacts, do all, deselect some, and from there just click on OK, and this will automatically import the selected contacts, which you should be able to see here now. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.